lactation consultant today. So today it's another question and comments and answer day. Thank you sa mga nanay na nagtanong, na nag-message sa akin privately. Maraming salamat. Alam kong desperately you needed solution sa mga problema nyo when it comes to your baby. Or problema sa sarili nyo, on how you can produce your milk, kung how you can decide, you're going back to work. So, napi-feel ko yung mga longing ninyo for the right answer, for solution, or kung ano yung mga plano nyo when it comes to your baby and yourself. So today, I'm going to devote my time, sasagutin ko mga tanong nyo, at bibigyan ko kayo ng roadmap. A roadmap that can lead you to the right way. Yun ang direction natin. Itama natin yung mga mali, okay? Ako si right way, okay? First comment na isi-share ko sa inyo. Isi-share ko ito sa mga subscribers ko, new, old and new. Kasi you never know, you're gonna get pregnant again, or you never know, mangyayari sa sister ninyo, sister-in-law nyo, pinsan nyo, mga maisi-share ninyo habang you're also, you're trying to find a way on how to make it right dun sa mga ginagawa nyong decision for your baby and yourself. So, first question, first comment ngayong tatalakayin natin. The baby was 3 days old na in-start kaagad ng formula. I don't know kung anong nangyari sa hospital, but this baby, during the 3rd day, talagang nagbobote na sa hospital. Then 5 days after, they're back home, I believe. And then gusto ni nanay na mag-latch. Dahil 3 days na nag-formula sa hospital, gusto talaga niyang mag-try na mag-latch. Kudos to you kung sino ka man na nag-message sa akin, nagtanong kung anong gagawin mo to teach the 5 days old baby on how to latch. Desperately ito, okay? Alam niyo sa mga pasyente ka sa hospital, so I'll give you a picture kung anong ginagawa ko as a lactation consultant, okay? Maybe some of you don't really know kung anong ginagawa ng lactation consultant. I work as a full-time lactation consultant in a maternity unit. So, ibig sabihin, pag panganak nyo, nandiyan dyan ako sa tabi nyo. Okay? Depende kung gaano kadami at gaano ako ka-busy during the whole day shift. I was the only lactation consultant in the whole hospital or the whole city during that time when I worked. Okay? So, could you imagine kung ilan yung workload ko? There were times that I have like 20, 15 babies a day. Could you imagine that? Just to help the mom latch. So, ang problema, there are some moms who gave birth, especially during the night. Nawala ako because I only work during the daytime. So, those moms who really struggled after birth, na walang nurse na lactation consultant, walang nurse na mag-devote ng 30 minutes or 1 hour beside you just to teach you how to latch. Walang nurse na magpupursige talaga na ipupush yung latch. Walang nurse na magtutulong sa nanay on how to feed the baby using other feeding tools except the bote. So, hindi natin mabiblame minsan ang hospital dahil number 1, kulang sila sa staff. Yung mga nurse, overload sila sa pasyente, and then kulang pa sila dito sa kaalaman on what is lactation consulting is. So, ang nangyayari, to make the problem really easy, here's the button, nanay. This will solve the problem, nanay. Ito ang kailangan natin. Siguro sasabihin, oh, the baby is really hungry, we have no choice, the baby won't latch. And the nurse has no time to teach you. Or you just don't know to. Kasi siguro yung nagturo sa iyo ng prenatal class, hindi ka rin tinuturuan kung paano ka mag-latch. Dahil hindi rin lactation consultant yung nagturo sa iyo ng prenatal class. So, patong-patong na yung problema. Paglabas ni baby, wala. Unprepared ka. hindi nga tuloy malalaman kung paano mo gagawin to latch the baby. Now, here is the bright side of this problem. Ang alam nyo, in every problem, there's a solution. Okay? Pero yung solution, hindi ibig sabihin na the next day, kayang-kaya na, fix na yung problema. No, it will take a while. It will take time. Now, the problem with this mom, siguro, I'm just guessing because I don't have the full information kung yung baby ba preterm, yung baby ba maliit, bakit nagbote si baby kaagad. The reason for that, I believe na wala siyang gatas for 3 days. Wala siyang gatas. Imagine niyo ha? Imagine niyo talaga. Intindihin niyo talaga. Kung kayo yung mga buntis ngayon, you really have to understand this. Kung gaano kadami ang gatas na kailangan ni baby every feeding after birth. Day 1 na baby. Okay. Day 1 si baby, ang kailangan lang ni baby at least ha? Ibig sabihin, pwedeng lumampas. At least about 10 to 12 meals. Maybe 15 meals. Minsan nga, ang iba, 10 meals. Yun lang yung appetite ni baby for the first day. So, ano yung 10 meals na yun? So, ito, 30 meals ito ha. Tingnan nyo ha, 30 meals yan. Pagkalahati niyan, 15. Pag mababa pa dyan, could you imagine dito lang? Yan lang yung kailangan ni baby after birth. Then, pagkadating ng mga third days, siguro aabot ng 15 meals up to 20 meals. Depends again, at least ha? At least. So, pwedeng lalampas, okay? Pero hindi pwedeng bumaba because if you make it too low, baka bumaba yung sugar ni baby, then more complication. So, yung about droplets ng ating colostrum, if you get 10 or 15 droplets, okay? Droplets, parang dot lang yan. Pag nakakuha ka nun, ipahid mo sa bibig ni baby. Hindi mo na kailangan yung bote. Ang problema kasi, pagdating sa hospital, pag talagang siguro alam na walang nakikitang flow ng colostrum, si bote ka agad. Unless talaga may medical condition na critical talaga si baby na kailangan ng bote, right? Or ng formula. Pero kung kayang mag-manually express si nanay, makakuha man lang ng 10 drops o 15 drops ng colostrum, kayang-kaya na yun. Hindi na bababa ang sugar ni baby. Okay? Iyan pag healthy ang newborn nyo. Okay? Healthy ang newborn nyo. Walang mga complication, kaya hindi kailangan ng formula. However, pag si doktor na ang nag-prescribe, dahil may komplikasyon ng birth na baby, kailangan talaga si baby na dumede. So, walang choice si mommy. Here comes the body. Yun ang nangyayari. But you know what? Don't be discouraged. Kung nangyayari yun sa inyo during those first 3 days, at saka pagdating nyo sa bahay, you're desperately wants to latch this baby, hindi mo na alam kung paano mo gagawin, it will come a time will come na talagang mag-latch itong si baby nito. For the meantime, sa tanong nyo po, kung paano nyo matuturuang mag-latch itong 5 days old na baby na to, magiging 6 na kasi ipopost ko itong video na to siguro 2 or 3 days after gawa ng I already have pre-scheduled videos every 3 or 4 days. Ito ang dinuro ko sa nanay, okay? Sabi niya, nagpa-pump siya. I don't know kung may nakuha siya. So, dropper. This is a dropper, okay? Let me just empty my dropper. So, ito yung dropper. Okay? Itong dropper na ito, pwede nyo ilagay yung breast milk nyo. Okay? Kung si baby ayaw mag-latch, use a dropper. Now, how you gonna latch a baby? How you gonna feed a baby with a dropper? Ito, dinidemo ko ito before. I'm gonna do it again. Yung dropper, take note, yung pinaka-tip, yung dulo ng dropper, ilagay nyo sa side ng mouth ni baby. Side. Wag sa gitna, okay? Do the side, okay? And then, Put a little drop at a time. 1 drop, swallow. 1 drop, swallow. This one takes a while. Mas maganda ang dropper kumpara sa cup. Why? Kasi yung cup minsan nai-spell. Pag minimum lang yung milk mo, nasasayang yung mga drops. We don't want to do that kasi tinitreasure nga natin yung mga drops. So what you can do, you can use a dropper and feed the baby. Start dito sa side, okay? Always to the side. Side. Not spraying, okay? Just 1 drop at a time. Now, ang syringe is good too. Ang syringe, ang syringe is good pag marami ka ng gatas. Makikita mo na yung flow. Let's say nakapag-pump ka ng 10 mils or 15 mils mula sa pump mo. Put it here. Itong syringe na to, you can buy a small one, 10 mils, 15 mils sa pharmacy. You can buy that very, very cheap at very convenient. The same thing. You use this one, start the side of the mouth. Now, of all the hassle, kung ikaw ay sinanay na talagang ayaw mo na ng mga ganong mga hassle thing, go for the bote. Nasimulan mo na ng bote eh. Here's the thing. Kung nakapag-start ka na ng bote sa hospital, continue the bote until you feel like may gatas ka na at makapag-latch na si baby. Later on, pag itong mouth ni baby medyo stronger na, then matitrain mo na talaga si baby on how to latch properly. Watch some of the videos that I posted on how to latch a baby. Dahil kailangan mo to. It's gonna take you a while paano mo matitrain talaga itong baby na to. Dahil when it starts with a bote, minsan nahihirapang mag-transition. But slowly you can do it by using either dropper, syringe. You can even use spoon, okay? So make sure you pay attention to how much you are feeding the baby. Don't worry about this, okay? Don't worry about this. Eventually, 5 to 10 days, darating at darating din yung milk mo, okay? As long as continue mo massage, continue mo pump, para hindi mag-dry out ito, even though you're using that bote. Don't feel bad about the bote. Ang bote, may use din yan siya, okay? Kailangan din ng bote natin na gumamit tayo ng bote pag talagang si baby hindi talaga kayang mag-latch, okay? At wala talagang natuturo sa inyo paano magamit ng excuse me, ng syringe o paano nagturo sa inyo ng dropper, okay? Kasi sa mga nurses kasi kalimitan pag nagmamadali sila sa ospital, feeling nila wala na silang time sa mga ganito. And most of them, sinasabi ko sa inyo, kung wala silang training for lactation from a lactation consultant, wala talaga silang kaalam-alam about these other feeding options except sa bote and latch. That's all. Mga simple breastfeeding, basic breastfeeding knowledge lang kalimitan ang mga knowledge ng mga nurses sa atin. Unless specialized talaga ng lactation consulting. Same thing with your doctors. Hindi ibig sabihin na mga OB sila, mga pediatrician sila, hindi kalimitan sa kanila, hindi rin sila trained as a lactation consultant na katulad ng ginagawa namin as a lactation consultant. So, while you're there, make sure massage your breast, pump if you can every 2 to 3 hours. Massage mo muna para yung letdown mo medyo mas mabilis and continue feeding the baby. You can train the baby to suck with your finger sa suck and then take it out, suck again maybe 3 or 5 times. Take it out para matututo si baby mag-latch once you put the baby to your breast. So I hope nakakatulong itong solution na tinuturo ko sa inyo. More videos to come, more answer and comment day to day. My part 2 or part 3 pa siguro ito. So I'll see you. Thanks again for watching. Please share this video. Bye for now.